Welcome to the fourth phase. This is the peak phase. You've climbed from the valley, built momentum in the ramp, you've challenged your thresholds in growth. Now you're here at the peak. But here's the truth. The peak isn't the end. It's the beginning of a new identity, a new lifestyle. The peak phase isn't about doing more. It's actually about doing what works consistently. Aren't you seeing that by now? This is where your focus shifts from chasing results to protecting the progress you've earned. You've now built the body. It's time to build the man who maintains it. This is where you step into self-leadership. In earlier phases, you tracked a lot. You pushed your limits. Now those actions become automatic. This is the season of consistent strength gains, steady body composition maintenance, and refinement. Deepen hormonal health, optimize testosterone, insulin sensitivity, and cortisol balance. Confidence in social situations, travel, and life outside the gym. You're not bouncing back and forth anymore. You are built different now. At this phase, you're like someone who's hiked a mountain and now knows the terrain. You've gone through the discomfort, the uncertainty, the resistance, and now you're the one with the map. You move through life with a plan. You respond instead of react. You don't restart on Monday. You just adjust and move forward. The peak phase turns you into a guide and not just into a participant. That's what happened to me. Sustainability doesn't come from motivation, it comes from systems. And in this phase, we lean fully into automation and awareness. So here's what it looks like. 3 to 4 strength sessions per week become a lifestyle. Nutrition stays GPS aligned, but with more freedom and flexibility. You use tools like your SWOT analysis to help you as you journal daily to keep your mindset sharp at the beginning of the day. Data is now used for refinement and not for pressure. It's information. You plan around life events, seasons, and stress without falling off track. Remember, you're not perfect, but you are resilient. And that's way more powerful. And here's what I want you to remember. The goal isn't to stay shredded or maxed out all of the time. The goal is actually to live with energy, strength, confidence, and clarity for decades to come. At the peak, you know how to fuel your body for performance and for recovery. You know how to train for strength and longevity. You know when to push and when to pull back. You know how to shift gears based on stress, travel, or life changes. You know what works for you. And that's the definition of freedom. Having this kind of control. You've created a lifestyle blueprint, and I'd love to know, what does your week look like in your new normal? Have you shared that with other people? Have you set a new seasonal goal? Maybe a quarterly challenge, a strength target, performance event? Have you reflected on your performance tracker and your SWOT analysis recently? What habits got you there? What's going to keep you here? What are you doing to pay it forward? Someone else needs support. Maybe it's in this community. Maybe it's in your family. Keep showing up daily, not for the results, but for this new identity. You've done the work. You've climbed the phases. You've changed your habits. And you've worked with an evolving biology. You've created a sustainable, resilient lifestyle that honors your body, honors your values, and honors the future that you're wanting to create. Now, you lead from the front. This, my friend, is the peak. And from here, you keep on rising. But remember, your fitness success is never owned. It's rented, and the rent is due every day.